step into the Dodge 2018 Challenger SXT Plus. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include tires, P245/45R20 BSWS performance, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845RE, STD, black Napa leather sport seat, engine, 3.6L V6 24VVVT, STD, black top stripe, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches gloss black painted aluminum, destroyer gray clear coat, black top package included, gloss black IP cluster trim rings black fuel filler door rear black spoiler front fog lamps wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 gloss black painted aluminum black edge premium floor mats leather performance steering wheel black grille with bezel Challenger black top grille badge and quick order package 21 SXT Plus included, engine 3.6